Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to unbox the recently released HP 15s DU3032TU laptop. So I hope you enjoy the video and wait till the end of the video because there I've put forward some points that will help you decide whether you should buy it or not. So this is how the laptop looks. You can see the keyboard. Let's have a look at the ports. It has an Ethernet port, an HDMI port, a high-speed Type-C port, two indicator lights, and a combo audio jack. On the other side, you get an SD card reader and two USB Type-A ports and the charging port. That's the back side, and at the below of the laptop, you can see two rubber pads and the exhaust vent. Looking at the specifications of the laptop, it has 11th gen Intel Core i5 1135G7 processor, which can go up to 4.2 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. It has 8 MB L3 cache, 4 cores and 8 threads. It has the integrated Iris Xe graphics, which comes with the newest 11th gen processors. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display with 250 nits of brightness, 45% NTSC, and a resolution of 1920 into 1080. Its operating system is the Windows 10 Home, and it has the pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 edition. It has 8 GB DDR4 RAM clocked at 2666 MHz, which is a dual channel RAM, so two sticks of 4 GB RAM sticks, and 1 TB hard disk at 5400 RPM. It has a thin and light design. The laptop weight is 1.76 kilograms. The average battery life is 7 hours, and it has 3 cells, and the battery is 41 watt hours. Looking at the camera and microphone, it has the HP True Vision HD camera with integrated dual array digital microphone. It has one super speed USB Type C port that supports 5G, and it has two USB Type A ports and one micro SD card reader. And this HP laptop comes with 1 year domestic warranty, which only covers manufacturing defects and does not cover physical damage. And now guys, to the most important part of the video. Should you buy this or not? So here I've listed some pros and cons of the laptop. Looking at the pros, it has the MS Office Home and Student Edition 2019. It comes with the newest Intel i5 1135G7. It has a terabyte of disk space. It has dual channel RAM, so it has two sticks of 4 GB RAM. It has the newest Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is integrated. It has a decent speaker quality, and it comes with the fingerprint sensor, and it has a sleek design and is light, perfect for students, home or office use. Now going to the cons, it does not have a backlit keyboard, which should come with these kind of laptops. Nowadays all laptops have a backlit keyboard. This particular variant does not have a solid state drive. However, another variant for this laptop comes with a 512 GB SSD, but according to me that is priced at 60k, which is overpriced. So definitely this laptop overweighs, the pros overweigh the cons, and hence I strongly suggest that if you have a budget of 54k, then you should go ahead and buy this laptop. The link is in the description. Also guys, please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and I will see you next time.